In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Evernote. If you're looking to back up your valuable notes or transfer them to another application, exporting them efficiently is essential. Let's dive into the process and ensure your notes are safely exported. To start, open the Evernote desktop app. It's important to note that this process requires the desktop version, as the web version doesn't support exporting notebooks. Make sure you're logged into your account and that any notebook or notes you'd like to export are fully synchronized and updated. This way, you won't miss any recent changes. Once you've got the app open, let's talk about exporting an entire notebook first. If you've got multiple notebooks, it can be quite handy to export them one by one. In the sidebar on the left, you'll see a list of your notebooks. Take a moment to locate the notebook you'd like to export. Once you've found it, right-click on the notebook name. A context menu will appear. From this menu, select Export Notebook. This option is specially designed to capture everything in the notebook, keeping it intact for your future needs. But let's say you only need to export a specific selection of notes, perhaps no more than 100. To do this, start by selecting the notes you wish to export while holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac. Once your selection is ready, right-click on the highlighted notes. You'll see an Export option pop up in the context menu. This process gives you more precision, perfect for when you need just a slice of your notes. Whether you're exporting a single notebook or just a few notes, you'll next face the choice of export format. Evernote gives you a few options to suit your needs. You can select ENX format for an Evernote-friendly backup. Or, if you need a format more accessible outside Evernote, you can choose between a single-page HTML or a multi-page HTML structure. These are great if you plan to share your notes in a universally readable format or import them elsewhere. You'll also have the option to include metadata like tags, creation dates, and other useful information depending on what best suits your project. This step can be crucial in keeping everything organized and easily searchable once you access your data outside of Evernote. Finally, click the Export button to choose where you'd like to save your exported file. Choose a location that's easy to remember and access later, such as your desktop or a designated folder for ongoing projects. Congratulations! You've now successfully exported your notes from Evernote. Doing this regularly can be a fantastic way to ensure your content is always safe and available when you need it most. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful in mastering your Evernote exports.